A long time ago, travelers whispered of a forest clearing where time moves more slowly, a secret pocket of the world where minutes stretch like hours, and the past seems to linger in the drifting air. They said if you step into this clearing at sunrise, the outside world races ahead while your heartbeat stays calm, each breath a quiet echo, each footstep sounding like it belongs to a different century. In this place, a falling leaf takes an eternity to touch the moss, turning slowly in the air as if it is thinking, while outside the clearing, seasons hurry past like pages ripped from a book. Birdsong here is stretched into long silver threads of sound. Wings beat lazily, and even the shadows move like thick honey, sliding around ancient roots and stones that seem to remember every footstep. People who claim to have visited say they walked for only an hour, yet returned to find gray hair, new houses, and children grown, as if the world outside had sprinted while they had simply strolled. Others tell a softer tale. A lonely woodcutter resting there at dusk, watching his worries slow and fade, time loosening its tight grip until his thoughts drifted like mist over still water. Some fear the clearing is a trap, a lullaby sung by the forest itself, inviting those who are tired of rushing clocks to lie down, close their eyes, and forget that the world outside is still racing. So if you ever feel the days running too fast, imagine that quiet circle of trees where time slows to a gentle walk, and ask yourself, would you dare to step inside or keep running with the rest of the world?